Yo, what's up everyone, it's Tony here and I'm back again with another video. How you all doing? I am happy to have you here on the channel again, and trust me, I have an interesting topic today where I will show you how to make 200,000 naira or $500 depending on where you're watching this from. If you're a Nigerian, then you have to make this. If you are outside Nigeria, then you can also make this on monthly basis, selling this particular hot product. Okay, and for the purpose of this video, I'm going to break this video down into showing you what is this product you are to sell, how to make money selling this product. Will this product actually sell? I mean, I'm going to show you why this product will sell, where to buy this product, where to get customers to buy this product, and how to deliver to your customers at their doorstep. Okay, all of this will be all inside this video making right now. Okay, but before we get started, before we get into all the juicy details, please, I would like you to do one thing for me. Subscribe, please subscribe if you are not subscribed. Then if you have subscribed, click on that and bell notification icon so that whenever I publish a new video, you'll be notified. Then please leave a like, please. If you have 200 views on a video, I would like to see 200 likes. Okay, for those, if you know genuinely that this video helped you, please leave a like and also leave a comment. I appreciate that a lot. And for those of you that don't know me, this is what my ugly face looks like. Okay, this is what I look like, and if you think I'm cute, just leave me a like. If you think I'm not, then maybe leave a dislike. Any of them, anyone you want to do. Okay, so without boring with my funny talks, let's get started with the video. So first of all, what is this product? So this product is simply a T55 smartwatch. I don't know if you guys noticed, but 2021-2020 has been a year of smartwatches. I mean, I own a couple of smartwatches myself, Amazon Fit, Beats, and all of those brands. Okay, but this particular T55 smartwatch stands out. I mean, I will tell you why this product is one of the hottest selling products on planet Earth right now, and why people are rushing to buy it no matter the price that the vendors sell these products for. Okay, in case if you don't know what it looks like in real life, this is what this wristwatch looks like, the T55 smartwatch. It works for Android, it works for your iPhone. It helps, you can customize it, just pretty much everything a smartwatch do that this particular smartwatch can do. And you guys know, if you know Apple products, you know that this particular smartwatch looks similar, isn't it? It looks familiar, but I'll get to that shortly. Okay, so having shown you this particular product that we are talking about, okay, so how do you make money? How do you make money selling this product? So I'll show you people that are currently selling this product and how much they are selling it for right now. We'll quickly go over to Facebook ad library. Facebook ad library is, visit this link, web.facebook.ads/library. Okay, this particular Facebook library will show you the number of ads people are running, adverts that are currently running on Facebook and on Instagram. So right here, when I search for this particular keyword, T55 smartwatch, so I will see products that people are currently selling and running adverts on. I can see that the vendors sell this wristwatch for 15,000 naira. Most of them, if not all. This person sells phone. This particular vendor, which other vendor sells the wristwatch? Okay, this vendor. Okay, but the price is not here. Okay, then this vendor sells it again for 15,000. This vendor sells for 16, and so on and so forth. Okay, almost in that price range. You can sell, some sell 20, some sell more than that. Okay, so you guys see that at least this is how much this vendor sells this particular wristwatch, isn't it? Okay, so imagine that you get these wristwatches from these vendors, okay, and add your own profits. Let's say profit of 8,000. Okay, 8,000. Then let's factor in that you spent 3,000 for delivery or Facebook ads and all of those things. Let's factor in those things. So you minus 8,000 minus 3,000, you'll be left with 5,000 naira. This is your gain. Okay, if you're able to sell one unit of this wristwatch, assuming you bought it from these vendors on Facebook. Okay, but if I'm you, I won't do this. I won't do this. Okay, but okay, then before I get to where, let me go back so you understand. I will explain this later still. I will explain this later, so just come with me. Okay, but the question is, will this product sell? Will this product sell with all this explanation? Like, will it sell? Hell yeah, yes, this product will sell. How do I know? People are like, if you see comments, if you go to each and every of these ads, you see people's comments. Man, numbers don't lie now. You see people, where do I get it? How do I this and that? Like, people are rushing this product. It is very hot. If you doubt me, go to Facebook and follow up with this advert, or search on Facebook. You will see people rushing this product. And not just this, why this product is selling is also that if you search Apple Series 5, okay, let's search Apple Series 5. Okay, if you look at this smartwatch and look at this smartwatch, they are almost the same thing, isn't it? I mean, people are very, very Apple crazy. People want to see Apple, like they want to own Apple products, isn't it? So this particular product is a clone of this particular product. This particular product is sold for like 15,000, 9,000 on Jumia and all of those places. But this Apple, the original one, is sold for 230,000. I mean, and this almost performed the same function as this T55. The T55 performs the same function almost as the Apple Series 6, Apple Series 5. So people that couldn't afford this, which there are so many, go for this. I mean, this is so reason why this product is selling, and it looks almost the same thing. Okay, I even bought it a few days for one of my siblings. Okay, so this is the main reason why this product is selling right now. So have no doubt, this product sells. Okay, then the next question is, where do I buy this wristwatch? Since I told you that you can buy from this vendor, but buying at 15,000 naira and selling at 20 something thousand is not that advisable. I know you want to take all the profits. Okay, so, and this is where I'm going to show you exactly where to buy this smartwatch. So there are two sites. You can go to AliExpress. You all know this website now, isn't it? You all know AliExpress. Okay, then we have 1688.com. So this is a website where you can buy the T55 wristwatch. Let me search T55 smartwatch. You guys see or this Series 6? Okay, any of them. You can buy this wristwatch, and this is where most of these vendors, get this particular wristwatch. This is where most of the vendors get their wristwatch. Okay, so it's your duty, okay, to come right on this particular website and browse through to see a vendor or a manufacturer that sells for the least amount, at least something that is very tangible. I think I saw $13 here when I was searching yesterday. Let's open up to this one and see. Okay, so you can come here and look for this sells for $13, and $13 is approximately around that kind 7,000, isn't it? Okay, you can come here, negotiate with this particular buyer. Okay, someone that sells these wristwatches, negotiate with the price. Let's say tell them you're buying 10 of them, 10 pieces. They actually give discounts, trust me, if you charge the buyers up. Okay, and order this product. This is not how to order products tutorial from AliExpress. This is not it. Okay, I'll maybe leave a link in the description or in the comment section. I'll pin the comments on all the resources you need, like how to order products on AliExpress and also 1688. Okay, and I know this is where these vendors get theirs. Okay, so having shown you where to buy this particular wristwatch, I want to say AliExpress is a quite good site, but I know some of you might not want to deal with all the technicalities of importing, chatting the vendors and all of those things. But there is a company called Jubizone. Okay, it's actually owned by a friend, Jubizone. Okay, I'll leave that link to my friend's WhatsApp. I'll leave it in the description so you guys chat him up or call him. So if you need to order products from AliExpress and 1688 from China, Jubizone can take care of it. Jubizone can take care of ordering this particular product for you. All you need to do, he charges a fee though. The company charges a fee, so you guys will come to terms with the price and all of those things. And trust me, they will help you import these products without hassles. All right. So that leads us to having sorted out how to buy the wristwatch and all of those things. The next thing is the product arrived to your doorstep. So where do you get customers to buy this wristwatch? I mean, where do you find buyers? Where do you find people that will buy this wristwatch for you, so you start making money? You have two options. Number one is Facebook. Okay. Number two is Instagram. Number three is gg.com. gg.ng. Okay, let me list it. Number one is Facebook. Number two is Instagram. Number three is gg.ng. Okay, so these three mediums, Facebook, Instagram and gg.ng, I'll come to this, I'll explain this. But these two places is where you find most of the customers by running paid Facebook advertising. I just showed you that people that are already selling this particular wristwatch, paid Facebook, you see sponsored posts, sponsored, even on Instagram. Okay, people are running adverts to sell this, and this is where these guys get customers. So you should do the same thing. Go to Facebook, pay Facebook, run paid advertising. I know you don't know how to, some of you don't know how to run paid advertising, so check the link in the comment section. I will pin the comments. I will list all the resources, both Jubizone, how to order on AliExpress, how to run paid advertising on Instagram, Facebook. I will leave all this link in the comment section, also in the description if you need that, okay, to help you. But just so you know, you'll be needing Facebook ads and Instagram ads if you want to sell out fast whenever your product arrives, okay, so you can make money. Then the third one I mentioned is gg.ng. Why I mentioned gg.ng is for those that lives in Nigeria. Okay, this website called gg.ng is one of the topmost listing websites. If I want to, when I moved to Lagos, when I was looking for land agents, this was the website where I got some of them. I mean, if I search T55 right now, T55 smartwatches and trackers, if I search for it right now, you see that there are so many people already selling these products. Look at now, 15,000 people that are already selling these products here. And trust me, they are selling. People like mostly Nigerians, they come here to buy products, not even Jumia. They go on Jumia too. Okay, Jumia is one of them. But this one drives most of the traffic. I mean, if you want to buy T55 in Nigeria, let me see. Okay, watch guys. Okay, after Jumia, if I search buy this wristwatch after Jumia, the next website that pops up on search is this gg.ng. So guys, take advantage. If you are living in Nigeria, take advantage of this. Go over to this gg.ng, sign up. Maybe one time I will do a tutorial on how to sign up here, okay, and sell your product on gg.ng. So make sure you list your product here whenever it arrives, okay. It will go a long way to make sure that you sell off this product. So you have a variety of options. Sell on Facebook, sell on Instagram, sell on gg.ng. Any of these three will surely work for you, trust me. Okay. So the last but not the least is delivery. How to deliver to your customers at their doorstep. I mean, you got your order, you have your product, then you run Facebook adverts and people ordered for this product. How do you deliver this product to these people? How do you do that? Okay, you have two options. Okay, either you have your customers pick up, or you doorstep delivery. Okay, this pickup, you have two options for delivery. Either you use motor parks, all these GO and co. You can waybill it, give it to the driver, or use their logistics. So whenever it arrives at your customer's destination, they go to the park and pick it up. Or you can use new delivery companies, mostly individuals, what we call doorstep delivery. Okay, so these guys deliver this product to your customer's doorstep, to their doorstep. Your customer will pay you, and these guys will collect the money on your behalf and remit the money to you. Between these two, people love this because people love their comfort. They want you to deliver the product to them. They don't want to step out. They want you to bring it to their gate so that you collect it and pay you. So this is the reason why I as a seller should go for this doorstep delivery. Okay, you can still go for this, but I prefer this, and you sell out fast if you have this. Okay, and what you do is find trusted delivery guys. This sprung up, this type of delivery, doorstep delivery sprung up. It was not here before. Okay, so where do you find these guys that will help you deliver your products, remit the money to you collected from your customer? So I'll leave a link. There is a post made by my dear friend Adesoya Sunday Abiodun on Facebook. He's a renowned e-commerce vendor. Like, he sells e-commerce guru that sells online, makes a living online. So he made a post asking for self-delivery agents, people all over the states. I mean, in Anambra, anywhere at all, that delivers products, that helps you deliver products to your customer's doorstep. He made a post asking them to comment here, and a lot of them commented on this particular post. So what I will do is I will also leave a link to this post in the comment section and pin it there, so that you go over there and get their details. But please, there are so many scammers right here, so be very, very make sure you vet them out. Make sure that you ask for reviews about those that have done business with these people, to make sure they are trusted. Okay, before you start giving their products to deliver, and at the end of the day they run away with your money. Please just be careful. Okay, I just have to state that. So I think having said this, I think this is the last slide I have here. I think I've done absolute justice to this particular topic. I've shown you this product, I've showed you where to buy it, I've showed you how to sell, where to get customers, and how to deliver this product to their doorstep. All you need to do right now is to get started, get to work, and make sure you put these things into practice. This is Tony saying goodbye for now, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I will gladly leave an answer to your questions, and any suggestions. We all learn every day, so if you have any suggestion, please also let us know in the comment section. I appreciate that a lot. So this is Tony saying goodbye for now, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.